We're going to be looking at the market outlook for Christmas week. We're going to be starting off with SPY here. We had this huge rally on Friday. You know, after a pretty big sell-off. So, if we for levels for SPY here, if we can get back above 595.75, 595.75, we will ultimately go back to 599. That's how I'm thinking right now. This isn't perfect, but you get this. Over these highs right here, SPY will see 600 and so on and so forth. And next key target is 601.60. To the downside, I have 586.89 here, downside level on SPY. And if we lose that, we just keep going through the next levels, as you can see. And next stock we got is Meta. So Meta had a push up and then a sell off on Friday. What we see here is if we can get above 596.37 and 593, we gotta get up over these levels. We will see a nice push to 603.11. If we break and hold above 603.11, I see us going to 611. That'd be a pretty massive day for Meta there. Let's take a look at Nvidia. Here we have Nvidia right here. We see Nvidia, it pushed up and then it started trading in a range, so we gotta make sure we hold that range right there. We need to hold 134.01. We need to hold this POC right here. And if we do hold this POC over 136.70, over this high right here, we see the test of 138.54 up here. Those are my levels for Meta. And if we can't hold above the POC right here, we will see a 130.96. And then if it's a really sell-off day, we will see 127.88 again. Let's take a look at Tesla. You can see Tesla here. It had a push and then it just sold off. So we're looking on Tesla for the upside. Over this 134.78, we'll see 144.47 here. And above this, we will see 450.636 up here. Put that out right there. Pretty nice and clear. And under 419, we have very possible we see 139.48 on Tesla. Keep in mind there is a lot of there is some support here that can be noted. I would say let's make a little rectangle. Right here, I think could be a very a bounce zone for Tesla. And that's pretty much my price analysis there. Let's take a look at Amazon. For Amazon, we see it had a nice push and it's holding. It looks like it's flagging here. Very bullish setup on Amazon. If we can hold above we need to hold the POC at 224.55 right here. we hold this POC to stay very bullish on it, and targets I have for Amazon will be this 226. I think over this 226 we can easily go to 228, and then over 228 we can see 230. Those are my upside targets for Amazon right now. The setup is looking very nice. And downside on Amazon is if we can't hold this POC, we could easily break down. And I think a resistance area on this name could be right here in the 219s. In the 219s for Amazon. And let's look at Apple. Apple had a pretty explosive day on Friday. It's going parabolic. I think Apple is going to make new highs eventually again. So keep that in mind. It's very bullish. What I can say is that it needs to stay above this POC right here at 253.38. Yeah, it's not perfect, but you get the point. It needs to stay above the 253.38 to keep this bullish momentum it's heavy right now. Over this, we can see more price exploration. We can have 260. 260 would be my main target, and then 265, and so on and so forth. Just psychological numbers. Some areas of we could sell off down to, my opinion, would be here at the 250.46. And then we have another high volume area here at 247.69. So that's my Tesla. Not Tesla, my Apple analysis. And here we have another at 252. Just like so. Not the most perfect, but we'll make it work. And let's see. Yes, that is my Tesla analysis. And let's see. Let's look at Google. Okay, so Google is it appears that it is breaking out. It had a nice push, and now it looks like it wants to keep pushing up. So we need to stay above this POC right here. We need to stay above this if we want to be very bullish on this name. And by the looks of it, we have a lot of volume here at 182.39 as well. So we need to stay above these levels, and we'll be fine. We'll be fine for more price. I think key levels on this is 195 over here, and over this I think we could see 197. That's my main and my ultimate target would be like 199, best case scenario, but nothing's ever perfect. Downsides for this, it's easily it's pretty simple. I think this level right here, under this 190, this 190.10, we can just sell off straight to 185 again. That's just what my chart is showing me right here. There is like some support here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If we go under 190, we go to 186, under 186, 184, and so on and so forth. That's my analysis on Google. Microsoft. So a little push up and sell off again on Microsoft. I think if you want to see new highs, we got to get over this 443.46 first to begin with. And once we go over that, we will see the next 446.35 and 450.6. It's a pretty straightforward chart we have here on Microsoft. We do need to hold this POC at 436.40 though. I feel like under that, we could see more downside. So let's see here. What could be more downside on this name? Okay, here is if we can't hold this POC right here, we will go back down to 432. And under 432, it gets pretty ugly. I'll say that. Under 432, this 432, I see 428 as downside on Microsoft here. Let's look what other stocks do I want to look at right now? I think that would be that'll be all for today, just as main stocks. And if you're watching this, I'd appreciate it if you liked it.